Alam mo yan, pag kami laging iba, lapag ang ibon pag kami nagtitinda.
Sabi nag-give it up. Sabi nag-give it up. Sabi nag-give it up. Hooray! Hooray! And the it up, up, and the dip, dip.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Forever Here. I hope that you are all doing well. Do you remember these two? Or should I say three, because I see Naya there as well. But do you remember how I was interrupted in my I Love Stell YouTube live? Because these two went live. How exciting. I'm really looking forward to catching up with this. I'm sure that this was chaotic. I just love that it doesn't really matter if it's the whole group or if it's just two of them or if it's just one of them. It's always going to be chaotic as long as it's something to do with SB19. So this is Stell and Jar doing a TikTok live to prepare us for Kalakal lyric video, the official release of the audio, and this was August 8th, and I'm really looking forward to watching this. If you were to have a look at the description below, you will see a link to the original upload. Huge thank you to the YouTube channel that is Soleil for uploading this and for English subbing it so quickly too. I'm so excited to catch up with this. Now I might be wrong, but I think that this was also like a two-part thing. So you remember how Stell, for the release of Rooms EP, he did like a TikTok thing and then he moved over to IG. So I think they did something similar to this, didn't they? They did a TikTok live and then they did a YouTube live? Or am I just imagining things? That might be the case as well, because I'm quite delusional these days. Anywho, I'm really looking forward to watching this with you. And please, can we watch this together?
Nakita yan si Pichi sa ano
Sorry, it was Pichi, not
endorser
Naya.
yan si Pichi eh.
Ay!
Okay naman. Malabo lang ng slight.
Madilaw lang.
Oh, you can really tell that Jar is on there too.
Naka-blush
Good
on eh.
voice.
Ngayon, buong mukha na yung naka-blush. Ay, walang sound. Wala ba kaming sound? Rinig ba kami o hindi? Merong sound, alright. How's the quality? It's
Fantastic.
red. Kanina yellowish daw tayo. Hindi ba mas yellowish?
He's so croaky. What is that shaking?
Mamink-mink.
Mamink-mink.
Ay, lalo ka ata tayo naging pink dyan ah.
The quality is qualitying.
Hintay tayo ng viewers. I was afraid. I was petrified.
Happy International Cuts Day!
Naya, nagsisave si Naya.
So gorgeous.
Ayaw niya sa camera. Camera shy. Camera shy. Galit siya.
Grumpy.
Tsura yung Pichi. Tsura niya.
She's so small.
Lalapirutin ang mukha. Lalapirutin.
So gorgeous.
Sige na, laro ka na dun.
Inside my head, but that's far from the
Hi guys!
don't know what's come over me. Seems like
Hello po sa ating 3.8 viewers. Hi guys!
Hihintayin natin 5K. Anyway, kaya rin po kami naka-live ngayon is for the
Ano yun? Dahil sasalubungin po natin ang Kalakal release! Kalakal release, here we go.
They honestly don't even care about
nag-live
image or
kami
anything
para
like that, do they?
salubungin ang Kalakal. Wala yung tatlo kasi, ba't wala yung tatlo?
nangangalakal.
Kasi yung tatlo, makakasama nyo sila sa salubong ng music video.
Ay, meron?
Ay, dinap ko na kagad. Tama naman, di ba?
Meron pala.
Really?
So, magkakaroon ng music video yung Kalakal.
Oh, did you know
So,
they
sila
tell us
yung
about this?
makakasama nyo. So, pagsalubong naman ng
There's
music
gonna be a
video.
music video.
Pero nga yung release ng mismong Kalakal
When?
music, kami ang
muna,
makakasama
kasi
nyo.
kami muna mga rapper yung sasalubong sa inyo.
Next time na yung mga...
Yung mga kuan. Ano sa tingin nyo ang itsura ng music video ng Kalakal?
Hello sa 5.4 viewers.
Well, that jumped up quick. How do we think the music video is going to look? I
What
don't
do you
know.
think?
I would really love it if they went into like the
Just
inner
tweet
streets
hashtag
of
Kalakal
the
Live sa
Philippines,
Lubong.
like
Kalakal
And
Live.
tell us what do
really,
you
really
think
like
the music
rich in culture.
music video.
The music video?
The music video.
Not the specs.
Constantly. Paano ko mag-share?
So, hello po. Meron na tayong 6,000 viewers.
It's jumping.
Hi. Sabay-sabay po nating salubungin ang Kalakal
Sabay
release.
tayo.
So, speaking of Kalakal, di ba napanood niyo yung performance namin nung Acer Day? Perform na namin agad yung Kalakal kahit unreleased pa siya. Because why not? Pero feeling namin nagustuhan naman ng mga tao
You think?
yung performance namin. Nagustuhan
We
niyo ba?
loved it. We loved it.
Nagustuhan niyo ba yung Kalakal?
Grungy daw ang Kalakal.
Yun yung ano, di ba? Yung
The grunge in the grunge.
the grunge. Hindi pala siya grunge.
Grungy ano yun eh. Pag kinagat mo.
The jokes are just endless between them. They just bat them together,
So,
back and forth.
sino dito yung mga nanood nung Acer Live? Gino ka?
Ganito yun.
Ganun, ay, ganun pa.
Nayana.
Niyana.
Ayan. Tsura
Sino,
ni Pichi.
sino nanood dito ng Acer Day?
Ano pa yung app?
I watched it
Sino
afterwards.
nanood ng
Durian?
Acer
Not
Day?
all of it actually.
May sugat ako? Saan? Ito, oo
You're
nga,
not
may
using
sugat
this as a
ako.
mirror. I cut.
Saan
Why?
galing to?
What'd you
Harapan mo
do?
nga, may sugat ako.
Shaving.
1, 2,
Harapan mo nga,
2,
harapan.
3.
Sugat. 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 Aking sugat. Patunay ng pinagdaan ng sugat. Di mapigilan. Ang sugat dumudugo na parang ugat. Sugat. Dumadaan sa aking ugat. Sugat. Nanggaling sa pinagdaan ng sugat. 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 Sugat na sugat.
Also guys, if you
I
have
can't wait to see that outfit
questions
in the
for
music video.
us, just tweet your...
Just tweet. Just tweet.
tweet your... Just tweet pa rin ba? ang
Ganito pa yung
tawag
tweet?
Kahit X. Ay, ano ba yan? Ang baboy.
Ito yung tweet. Hala!
Hindi pa din yung ano. Just tweet your... your
Galing yung
questions using the hashtag Kalakal Live sa Lubong.
Well, that escalated really, really quickly. I was going to say that this is just such a real friendship because this is exactly what happens between like real friends, doesn't it? Like you make one slip up and then they just will roast you for it for the rest of the day. And I just wasn't expecting what came after it.
Just tweet.
Tweet your... Just tweet pa rin ba? ang
Ganito pa yung
tawag
tweet?
Kahit X. Ay, ano ba yan? Ang baboy.
Ito yung tweet. Hala!
Hindi pa din yung ano. Just tweet your your
Galing yung
questions using the hashtag Kalakal Live sa Lubong.
Oh, Lord. It's been 6 minutes. Only 6 minutes. Okay?
VIP daw siya noon, si Kanako Baby. Acer Day.
Gulo ng buho ko.
Galing ni Stel mag-twerk.
Don't egg him on. He'll really go for it.
So, sa mga may tanong po, pwede po kayong mag-tanong sa amin. Just use the hashtag Kalakal Live sa Lubong. Sasagutin po namin ang mga tanong nyo.
Ano ba yun? Tsura.
So, anong nilook forward nyo? Kasi kanina nag-post na tayo sa ano eh. Nag-post na tayo ng mga teaser, ng mga parts natin.
Parang countdown siya, no?
Sa Twitter, nag-post na tayo. So, anong ina-expect nyo bukod sa ano? Siyempre, music video ina-expect nyo.
I actually wasn't.
Oh, yeah, may
That's a very
question.
pleasant
Paano nyo
surprise.
napag-isipan yung collab with Glock 9? Kamusta ka work si Sir Glock 9? O Justin, sagutin mo.
Ginamit namin yung utak namin para isipin yun.
Ano sagot yun?
Please expand.
Ano nga ba? Hindi, because remember our pagtatag finale concert. So, guest natin si Sir Glock, and a lot of people were like enjoyed and really appreciate nabusan ng words our performance with Sir Glock. So we took that opportunity to like, oh, maganda yung feedback. So
They work quick,
we
don't
asked
they?
Sir Glock,
They make things
Sir
happen.
Glock, do you think it's okay if we do a collaboration? Let's make a song like that. And then Sir Glock was like, oh sure, why not?
I'm so glad he was open
Let's
to
go.
it.
And
Because
then
performing
we wrote
at
the
their
song
concert is
together.
one thing, but then actually collaborating is a totally different thing.
The end. Ayun, tapos okay naman kasi very creative si Sir Glock, and ang bilis niya rin mag-isip, and alam niya kung ano yung gusto niya. So yeah, ayun.
Andun ba kayo sa MV?
No.
Opo. Sabi ni Lynn. Si ni Philip.
Andun ba kayo
Yes,
sa
andun
MV?
po kami syempre. Kasi parang pag wala naman kami, baka di yung panoorin yung
Well,
music
you know, it's a
video.
valid question. It could have just been an
So,
animation.
andun kami. Sabi ni Just Ken.
How was the process while doing your own line? Natapos niyo pa po ba siya agad? Alam niyo, ang na-feel ko doon, para siyang ano yun? Quiz? Ay, hindi, parang seat work? Anong tawag doon? Yung sa
Parang siyang
school?
oo nga, tawag
Parang
dito.
sabi,
Hindi,
oh.
ano yun, parang anong tawag doon yung
Yung gagawin mo on class? Seat work?
quiz. Parang siyang quiz.
A quiz?
Hindi,
Seat work. Seat work.
Seat work. Parang seat work kasi
What is seat work?
nag-usap-usap kami with Sir Glock, kaming 5, ganyan, gawa ng melody on the spot, ganyan, ang chorus. Okay, napag-usapan na, ganito yung topic, okay.
It even just sounded like
kanya-kanya
he was rapping
na kayo, sulat
just
na kayo ng
then.
song nyo ngayon. Aba, ayun, sulat kami isang araw.
Hindi, kasi
Tapos record na rin diretso. Pagkasulat
Both of you
na rin
leave
diretso
your
record.
hair
Di ba?
alone.
Isang araw
una
lang
yan, pinag-usapan kasi yung magiging paano ba? Nag-usap kami kung anong message ng song muna. Tapos parang dahil hindi pa kami makapag-decide kasi parang mas importante na marinig muna namin kung ano yung mga gagawang draft music ni Rad Kids, which is Pablo and Josue. So parang doon pa lang gumawa ng
Meron 3 demo
gumawa ng
sila.
3 demo.
Tapos pinapili si Sir Glock ano yung bet niya.
Tapos hanggang sa
Oh.
nagustuhan ni Sir Glock yung tunog ni Kalakal
so
na.
cool.
Tapos from there, pinakinggan namin siya. Tapos doon namin na pag-usapan kung ano na yung magiging
Topic.
hindi, title muna. Kasi may title muna. Tapos nung napag-decide yung title, doon na kami bumuo ng story pero kanya-kanyang gawa ng verses namin. Tapos, ano yun, huddle kami doon, may mic, tapos papakinggan mo, pwede ka gumawa ng melody, pwede ka na mag-record ng gusto mo. Ha?
Freestyle. Nag-freestyle melody.
Parang siyang tik-tik sa gilid.
Parang blah 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 blah. Gagawa ka ng melody mo using your gibberish.
Nakaganon po siya again.
Gibberish lang.
So, ganun, gumawa kami ng mga freestyle. Mga freestyle na melody, freestyle na
I don't know about you, but the energy is really different right here. I think because they're unwell, so like the attention span is about 1.5 seconds, and I just love it. They're just grabbing hold of anything and then just absolutely beating it to death, and it's just entertaining in a really wild kind of a way. I didn't think it was going to be like this.
Versus
To chaos,
hanggang sa
but-
nabuo namin yung buong song. Tapos, yung pagka ako ginawa ko yung verse ko habang nasa
Did you?
CR. Kasi ano,
Were you looking in the
sumakit
mirror?
ko dun eh. Tapos sinulat ko siya sa CR.
Huh?
Inupuan ko, literal na inupuan ko. Tapos sumulat ako ng verse ko, yung rap verse. Tapos yun, paglabas ko, sabi ko kay Pablo,
Wow.
record ko na. Sabi ni
Wow.
si Kalisa,
Wow.
nahirapan ba kayo sumulat
Kalesi.
ng part nyo? Medyo.
Nung ginamit ko yung right hand ko, nahirapan ako.
Galing. Kaya yung mga fans natin, loko-loko na rin eh. Medyo na challenge kasi syempre pag kilala mo naman si Sir Glock katrabaho nyo, syempre tawag dito, mape-pressure ka kasi Glock 9 yan eh. Tapos parang rap verse pa yung gagawin, so parang challenging, so dapat kahit pa paano lumevel. So hindi ako personally, di ka naman masyadong pinressure yung sarili ko, basta something na mahalaga yung message na magagawa ko. And
Something.
It
doon
needed to
naman
be
yung
said.
essence nung yun naman. Ikaw,
Oh, it was.
nahirapan ka ba sumulat nung
Nung
part?
ginamit ko nga yung right hand ko, nahirapan ako.
Ge.
Sabi write whatever, so nagsulat na lang. Pero I think
It was sick.
nakarinig ka ba ng kuan yung ano? Wala kasi akong maisip na word. So, kaya sabi ko, wag skipan ko na lang. 'Di ba parang ano 'yun? Pag di mo masabi yung word, ano nga yung ganyan.
Parang si
Tapos
Ate
naalala ko si Ma'am Shimelay.
Kwan.
Kuan. Ay, tsaka tatay ko, makuan din tatay ko yung kuan.
Uy, grabe na nanonood. 9.6.
Abutin mo yung kuan, yung ano, pakuha yung kuan, yung ano.
Kaya
Wala akong masulat, edi kuan na lang.
Sabi ni George, ano yung kanya-kanyang hugot or pinanggalingan ng mga nasulat niyang verses? O, ikaw, Justin.
Ano na ba nila yung lyrics?
Sabi mo, yung ano mo. Yung...
So,
Ano bang ginagawa natin ngayon? Bakit parang Justin? Parang gusto mo nang matulog.
kasi lang ano ko eh. But it's flu season. Ano yun? Ayan. Yung sa akin, kasi di ba kalakal nga, parang kung ano-ano yung ginagawa. Ay, kanya-kanya, meron tayong parang
I stopped reading the translation a little while back.
spoil, parang manggagaling siya sa
I can't
main
keep up.
whole idea ng kanta. Tapos, basta meron kami,
I can hear the whispering. They're constantly being coached by whomever is behind the camera.
Ano nga yun? Ano yan?
Ano ba? Parang nawawala ka sa pinag-uusap. Ano ba, Justin?
Ano nga yun? Ano yun? Ano yung chorus?
Ano yung tinatanong mo? Alam mo, di ko rin mag-guess kasi ano yun? Ano yun? You can't stop. Kalakal ba kaya kanta mo?
Ano yung lapag ang ipon? Ano yung before yun?
Magtitinda.
Alam mo yan pag
Alam mo yan pag kami laging iba. Lapag ang ibon pag kami nagtitinda. Sabi na give it up.
Yeah, or-
Sabi na nagtubid it up. Sabi na nagtubid it up. Habab, hooray. Habab, hooray. And tubid it up, up. And tubid it dip, dip.
So, ayun. Nag-ano kami. So, parang kahit iba-iba kami, kahit hindi mo taste, kahit
Oh my
hindi mo
God.
gusto, parang
Sabi mo.
yun yung point
Sabi mo.
I'm still here.
yun yung point nung
I'm still here.
Ano, tulog ka na. Tulog na, no? Tulog ka na. Anong pinagsasabi? Madali na.
ayun yung point nung
What are we talking about?
hala, naubos na tuyo na
Ano yung tanong ako nga sasagot?
Ako na. Tapos, yun na yun. Parang iba-iba kasi, di ba, parang nagtitinda tayo. Pero kahit iba-iba yung tinitinda natin, kahit hindi nila gusto, parang napapabili sila. That's the point na parang we have different flavors.
You do.
So yun sa akin, isip ko, ano yung parang, ano ba yung kakaiba sa akin pag, bakit, ganun, or something.
Do you want us
Parang
to
yung
submit
point nun.
essays?
So, naisip ko, yun parang yung tingin ng tao, parang weird na mag-rap ako kasi hindi naman ako like maangas or something. So, that's the
You have
kakaiba.
your own
Ito
swag.
maangas. Angas.
Ikaw muna, ikaw muna.
So squishy.
Tapos ka na?
Tapos na.
Ako yung verse ko, wala, kasi yung title kalakal. So ano bang ginagawa pag may, di ba normal yung kalakal, parang after mo siya maipon, binibenta mo rin siya sa mga
Junk shop.
junk shop. So ibig sabihin, marami kang naipon or nakuhang ibang bagay sa iba't ibang tao rin na namimit mo. So parang ako,
Robot na.
parang kung ano yung mga natutunan ko sa buhay ko na sa ibang tao ko rin natutunan, parang inaano ko siya, ini-enhance ko siya on my own. Tapos ngayon, parang pinapakilala ko siya and parang pinapresent ko yung sarili ko na kaya kong gawin to, and nilalako ko na siya sa ibang tao and hindi lang yung isang bagay na to yung kaya kong gawin, parang ganun. There's more. Parang ganun. Are you both okay? Oo naman. Medyo ano lang,
Fabulous.
flu season lang ngayon. So parang hindi pa rin nawawala yung ubo tsaka yung
Ubo. Sipon.
baliktad. Ubo tsaka hindi lang nawawala yung ubo tsaka sipon. Baliktad.
Meron ba sa inyong ENT? Check nyo nga kung may tonsillitis ako.
Huh?
May tonsil ka, yun, no?
Wow.
Talagang
that's
sa
a
live mo
big
ginawa
goal.
ganyan yung ano mo. Ano yun? Why
Sakit na
the
lalamunan ko yun.
title? Why the title is Kalakal?
Munti ka na.
Why the title is Kalakal? Actually, yung nag-isip nung Kalakal si ano eh. Si Sir Glock. Siya ang nung... Hello po sa 11.1 viewers. Dami ah. Ang nag-isip po ng Kalakal ay si Sir Glock.
Yung green na.
Ay, pwede ba yun?
Pwede daw?
Sure?
Ang funny naman ng reason bakit pinalitan. Pwede ba yun? Baka
What? Oh.
Ay, excuse me po.
Huwag na lang. Basta tindero yun, tindero. Ay,
Pag na daw. Wala kayo narinig. Next question.
Kalakal yun, naisip yun ni Sir Glock, yung Kalakal.
What is going
Tapos
on?
parang doon na kami umisip ng idea yung sa word na Kalakal. Yun yun.
I'm sorry, was there an end to that sentence? I'm
So,
completely
ano bang tanong
lost.
nyo? What do we expect sa FB ng Kalakal? Ang ganda ng teasers. Ay. Ate dito ka, nasama ka na sa amin mag...
What do we expect?
Actually, lagi naman kasi namin sinasabi, expect unexpected. Lagi naman namin sinasabi. Pero kasi parang ano bang i-expect? Wala, music video pa rin naman siya. Pero mas doon yung magiget siguro sa music video kung ano ibig sabihin kung ano ibig sabihin ng Kalakal. Yun na lang. Hello po sa 11.8k viewers.
It's so maangas. The MV is gonna be like,
Yeah,
yeah.
basta. Let's go.
I really can't wait to see the styling and everything. I hope they go really hard with it. Like, I want, like, no soft looks, please. I want it to be
Hello
really,
from
like, filthy.
Hi.
Nasan yung tatlo?
Hi
Ano sinabi natin
hi
kanina?
from the
Sa
Philippines.
susunod silang live. Sa next.
Anong ipapabaon mo still? Papabaon?
Kala kasi nila babaunan yung sinasabi mo.
Ibabaon. Like,
Babaunan.
babaon sa limot. Parang ganun.
Ba't kasi gano'n yung mo? yung
Halika
TikTok
rito,
mo?
babaon na kita. Ganun. Halika rito, babaon na kita. Ibabaon sa limot.
Yung TikTok ni Stel is...
Sabi ni Aika Delphine, in your own opinion, ano yung tingin nyong tinitinda ng bawat member? Ako, bigas. Ito,
May bigasan ka.
Bizarre. Ken, Superior Son. Si Josh ay JC Couture. Si Pablo ay Brad Kids. Yeah. But, kung, ano, yun ba yung tinatanong mo? Or yung,
I think it might be a
Seryosong
bit
tanong
deeper
ba?
than that.
Okay na yun?
ano ba tinitinda? Sige, paano mo sasagutin yun? Ano yung tinitinda mo? Ganon.
At Josh Tin Moments.
Ang cute ni Ja. Ang cute. Si Ja parang manika tapos si Stella yung nagko-control.
Huh?
Ginawa mo pa akong ano. Witchcraft.
I don't think so. No, come back. Come back right this
Hindi ko
second.
masabi kung ano yung sa iba, but siguro
Paano hindi ko masabi?
for my
Di mo ma-
for my own understanding, siguro yun nga, yung sarili kong skill set and tama ba?
Yes, whatever you can
Yeah.
sell it.
Sarili
We
kong
need
skill
money.
set. Yeah. And myself. Bukod sa onlines nyo, kanino kayo pinaka naangasan?
Oh,
Sir
good
Glock.
question.
Sa bawat tunog na pinipinta. Yun ba yung sabi niya? Sa bawat tunog na pinipinta. Favorite ko yung...
Ano yun? Umamar na umiiling?
Oo. Sumasang-ayong umiiling. Grabe.
Oo.
Grabe ang...
Warm up namin yun pag magbo-vocalization.
O isipin mo, sumasang-ayon ka pero umiiling ka. Gawin mo yon, sumasang-ayon ka pero umiiling. Gawin.
Ano yun yung sa mga...
Gawin mo nga, ate, gawin mo nga yung sumasang-ayon ka pero umiiling. Sumasang-ayon ka.
Ano yun? Yung parang...
Diba?
Wow, ang galing. Ano?
Parang wala talaga akong masabi, parang ganun.
Yeah.
So, sumasang-ayong umiiling. Angas nun. Ano pang tanong?
Sumasang-ayong umiiling. Magsiga ka na.
Excited na ba kayo sa
umiiling.
12? Mag-12 para marinig nyo na yung official.
Of course. Although we've now heard it.
Ano nga yung kanta mo? Di ko maramdaman.
Ano yun?
Hindi ko masabi ba yun?
Nandiyo tayo for SB19, no? Ba't nag-ano ka ng ibang song?
Dahil SS ako eh.
Cute.
Hindi pa released eh. Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko alam sagot.
Anong tanong? May iba pa ba kayong collab with Sir Glock aside from Kalakal or abuso na tayo? Oo, abusado na tayo. Kasi na, nag-ano na nga tayo eh, sumayaw ka na tayo with Sir Glock eh. Buti nga napagbigyan tayo eh for another collab. Kaya thank you Sir Glock.
Sing
Thank
it,
you. So
Jam.
super happy kami.
Estela Presa, Ja, ikaw ba nag-direct ng Kalakal MB? Hindi po.
Estella!
Wala po tayong
Is that
ano ngayon.
the
Out of
Estella?
stock ang ating utak for today.
May nabasa ako, sabi ni Maha, for Stel, ano mas mahirap,
I feel
bumirit
like I
o
know all
mag-rap?
of these people asking the
Actually,
questions.
mahirap yung patunayan yung worth mo.
Oo.
Tapos hindi naman niya,
Try kayo bumirit na habang nag-rap.
tapos hindi niya nagigets yung ano. Hindi niya nararamdaman, hindi niya
Kahit nagkarapa.
diba? Ang hirap, diba? Yung ganon, hindi mo maano yung worth mo. Yun yung pinakamahirap. Pero mas challenging.
Ay, yung mga nanay, kaya yung bumirit habang nagra-rap.
Huh?
umuwi ka na maaga, bakit di ka pa umuwi na maaga? Pwede, kaya. Lagi na namin na
Estelle.
napapawasok ko na yung bakon mo.
Join in, Stel.
Amazing.
His mind is turning. He's like,
Napaganda
what?
niyo ba si Sir Glock 9? Hindi, actually. Nakaya naman, abusado naman na kami masyado.
I bet he'd love to.
Pero na-realize ko, mas mahirap mag-rap. Kasi ano siya, kailangan ng attitude, kailangan
Which you have.
Kala mo
Which
naman ang
have-
attitude.
Kailangan.
pag
Which
ano.
you have.
Feelings ang kailangan sa ano, sa pagkumakanta.
All of which you have.
Feelings. Iba yung attitude eh.
Pag birit mo, mag-attitude ka.
Paano?
Get all now!
Ano kung mag-attitude?
The little neck
Nakita mo yung
shake.
thread nun, yung bago? Siya sa attitude. Nakapila sila, tapos attitude sila.
Anyways,
Poor Jar.
Ano yan? Hindi ko alam.
wag na muna yan. Grabe, hello sa 12.4 viewers. Hello po. Bakit mga gising pa kayo? Bukod sa nag-aabang kayo sa Kalakal, anong pinaggagawa nyo ngayon?
Watching you.
Are you waiting for something or you're just,
Why is he so flirtatious when he talks like that?
Nagkakaroon ba?
Type in your questions, guys. Type in your questions. Meron ba?
Meron. Merong blush on? Hindi ko alam.
Naglilinis ng bahay. Wow, working po.
Wala pa ako liko.
Hello sa ating 12.7 viewers. Ay, naging 12.4. 12.4K, and thank you sa mga nagsisend ng stickers and sa mga nagsisend ng gifts. Thank you so much po. Sabing hello eh. Sabi niya.
Sinong nanakit
Sinong nanakit sa'yo? Marami. Kaya joke lang. Okay naman ako. Ayan, okay siya yung nanakit. Okay naman ako. May ano lang, sipon ubo pa din. Did you see the hula lyrics nung nirelease yung first teaser for Kalakal? Yung hindi namin ma-figure out kung ano yung lyrics. Ang daming entry, nakakatawa.
Oh, really?
Oo.
Yun nga, yung babaon na...
Meron pa, yung akala nila yung ibon.
Lapagang ipon. Ay, lapagang ibon.
Something like that. Ang dami nilang hinuhulaan. Ang dami nilang...
Lapagang ibon.
Parang ibon pag naghihintay. May mga ganun pa sila. Nakikita namin yung mga entries.
Paano kailan take?
Nakailang take kayo sa part nyo? What do you mean nakailang take? Na pag-record or pagsulat or...
Iba-iba po ang recording process eh.
Ano ang pinaka-favorite yung experience sa paggawa ng Kalakal or yung pinaka-natuwa kayo sa buong experience? Yung nag-huddle kami, di ba? Tapos pinatugtog yung demo. Tapos nag-iisip kami na melody for the hook part. Yung, you can't stop this, we're gonna get it hooked on, cause we're born to take it lang mo yan, pag kami laging iba. Yun. Yung part na yun, iniisip namin yun. Parang ano lang, parang papakinggan namin, tapos isa-isa bibigyan ng mic. Ipapasa yung mic, tapos gagawa ka ng mag-iimbento ka.
Oh, cool.
Ano ba yun?
It's really hard to get everybody to feel comfortable like that in the studio. Not everybody works well like that, but they're just so comfortable with each other.
Ano ba yung gusto mong gawin ko? Hanap! Sino nakaisip ng line na lapag ang ipon pag kami nagtitinda line?
Sino nga ba?
Hindi, actually, ang naalala ko niyan, naririnig ko kasi, hindi ko na maalala, pero naririnig ko kasi yung term na nagtitinda. Kasi naalala ko yung tindahan namin na bigasan. Tapos natawa kaming lahat sa word na
kasi
nagtitinda.
hindi naman unheard.
Hindi naman unheard.
Unheard. Fastest.
Hindi naman unhear. Unhear, di ba? I cannot unhear. Unhear! Hindi na, simula nung sinabi ko yung word na tinda, bigas sa tinda, something like that yung sinasabi ko nun eh.
Bigas nagtitinda.
Bigas, something sinasabi ko. Tapos parang natatawa kami. Tapos biglang sabi ni Sir Glock, malay mo, pwede gamitin yun, yung word na tinda. Tapos parang nag-brainstorming hanggang sa nasabi ni Sir Glock na parang, lapag. Ay, hindi. May sinabi si Pablo na parang, parang bigay.
Oh, can we get the behind the scenes of this? This sounds
ubos ang
amazing.
ipon, parang ganun.
I hope
Ubos
they
ang
film all of
ipon,
this.
pag ganyan-ganyan. Tapos sinabi ni Sir Glock, parang okay siguro.
Lapag,
paglapag. Tama si Sir Glock, nagsabi na, di ba? Parang sabi ni Sir Glock, what if gawin natin lapag ang ipon, tapos pag kami nagtitinda, tapos hanggang sa yun yung nabuo. Yun, nabuo siya. Dahil sa ganun. Masaya yung brainstorming na yun, yung nangyari.
Tama.
See, they don't have to release all the footage because I understand, like, they might not feel comfortable, like, just sharing stuff like that. Like, but I honestly think that whatever happens behind the scenes around that table, it's so important because the song is great. And then when you start to dissect those lyrics, you understand how incredible all 6 of them are. And I think it was a really important collaboration. It's a really important song for the moment. It was a lot of stuff that needed to be addressed, that needed to be said, that perhaps some members had been holding in as well. And it would have just been really nice to get some of that, like just a whip round of, the brainstorming process, even if it was just like shorts or if it was just like a TikTok something. Stuff like that is actually incredibly powerful. And I'd certainly like to get some of that insight.
Ano po ang favorite Glock 9 song nyo?
Oh, tell me, because then I need to listen. Let me write this down.
I like
Ow, aray ko.
Ano nga ba mo?
I want to do like a whole video.
Sirena. Maganda rin yung collab nila ni Yeng.
Oh my God, dumudugo
Ano nga
ang
yun?
aking tenga.
Ano nga yun? Ano yung
You're bleeding.
maganda na? Paliwanag, hindi.
Ang upuan. Kayo po na nakapa.
Paliwanag ito. Ganda ta. I like this.
I'm really sorry, but I need to go back.
Kayo po na nakapa.
Paliwanag ito. Maganda to. I like this.
Hope these are English subs.
Lamang lasa na parang kang pinahawak ng dinamita. Magsisindi ng mitya ay sila. Hinahayaan mo na nakawin ng mga pinaghirapan para sa iyong mga mahal sa buhay. Nang umangal kasi ganun talaga. Wanig sa
Sabi nila strict ba si Sir Glock? Actually, ano siya? Sobrang magaan siya. Pero, magaan siya ka-work. Pero sobrang, masasabi kong perfectionist ba? Tapos parang, ano talaga, every small detail.
That's really
Alamin
good.
niya, tatanungin niya, parang ganun. So parang,
ang masabi
Ano,
ko
masaya,
kay Sir
masaya.
Glock, ano siya?
Yeah, I bet.
tapos ano siya?
Maaga pa siya sa call time.
Tsaka mamadali ka usap si Sir Glock. Like, parang explain mo lang sa kanya ng maayos bakit mo naisip yun. Papakinggan niya. Tapos pag okay, okay na rin sa kanya. Ganun.
Pag may call time tayo,
I
kailangan
love
maaga tayo
that.
pumasok.
I really
kasi
think that
mauuna.
Pablo
Tsaka
would
ano,
turn into that one
masipag
day.
din si
If
Sir
he's not
Glock.
like
Like,
that
pag may
already.
call time kami ng, bawa sabi natin, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. dadating siya, 12.
Sweet.
Ganun. Minsan,
I like people like
maaga
that.
pa. Or nasa,
I'm like
ano,
that.
siya around the area. Yun, masaya katrabaho si Sir Glock. Stel, Ja, pansinin niyo ako. Ipo-perform niyo po ba yan sa Watsons yung kalakal?
Do you want?
Gusto niyo ba? Kung gusto niyo, why not? Kung gusto niyo. Tapos, ano?
Ang hirap pala, umubo na nagpipigil na maihi.
Excuse me, what?
Ihi na kasi ako eh.
Sabi ni Patatas, when mo ibabalibag si Ja, Stel? O gusto mo balibag kita ngayon?
Ikaw na lang yung balibag ko kaya.
Bakit?
Para mo ba?
Ikaw ba si Stel?
Naiihi ako eh.
Oh, dito ka, dali.
Naiihi ako.
Di, dito lang, doon.
Iihi mo na ako, baka tumulo.
Alo, eh.
Huwag mo galawin masyado.
Baba
Oh, I love his
Yan, dito.
his sweatshirt. Oh my lord.
Ano, duet? 1, 2, 3, go. Then. Baby, don't you worry. Kasama mo si Justin. Okay na yan.
Ihi mo na ako.
Ayan, nabalibag na.
That was really wild.
Oh, question habang wala si Ja. Ito pong suot ko ay size medium to large. Good po ito sa mga 5'7 to 5'8. Pamay na lang po, mine black stripes. Meron po tayong code dyan na Stel Kalakal to get 50% off.
Is he joking? I can't tell. Is he joking?
Mamaya.
Is that real?
Ano pa mga tanong? Yung narinig namin yung ihi ni Justin. Oh, lakas!
Wow. I mean, we've had it all with him, haven't we? He's been coughing non-stop. He was burping. What else
May
was he
dance
doing? I can't
choreography
remember.
ba ang
And then we hear him
Kalakal?
pee.
Sige, try natin. Pagkakaya ng schedule. Makiladya ka. Hindi, sa bahay ko to. Yung bahay ko yan, oo. Oh. Bahay ko yan. Ano? Galit.
Meron naman talaga sa'yo.
Hi, thank you po sa nag-send ng mga gifts and stickers. Lipat na tayo sa... doon na. So, lilipat na po tayo sa YouTube, guys. Kasi doon po natin sasalubungin ang Kalakal.
MB.
MV, hindi. Lyric video.
Ay, lyric video.
Anong MV ka? Wala pa nga music video eh.
Guys, lipat po tayo sa YouTube. Go to
Oh, so you haven't
SB19
even
Official
filmed it yet?
on YouTube. Doon po tayo mag-live. Abangan natin sabay-sabay.
Look at that little
So,
fringe.
So, gumagalaw yung buhok ko. Parang,
Di may yun? May magic. Yung parang...
parang gumagano. Ay. Ayun na. Mukha siyang gumagano.
Bye-bye po.
Sige guys, lipat tayo sa
po tayo
YouTube. Doon naman tayo mag-usap. Abangan natin yung lyric video. Bye! Bye! Babay ka. Babay ka.
Excuse me.
Uy.
Si Naya, oh. Tulog si Naya.
Oh,
Okay.
Naya.
Wala.
Bye!
Bye.
I think Jai's high on meds.
Bye!
I think he's high on meds.
See
Surely.
you sa YouTube.
So much happened in this, I don't even know where to begin. I love this mood, and I think it does promote the song because it just makes you think what was happening, what on earth happened inside that room, what goes on inside these boys' minds that they are so wacky and crazy. Like, this is so crazy. Now, I'm looking forward to watching the YouTube live as well, because if what Stell did with his switch from TikTok to IG is anything to go by, they are going to be freer and wilder in the second part of this, and I really look forward to it. I can't wait. I'm so excited. This was crazy. This was a memorable one. Don't you think this was definitely a memorable one? I don't really know how to kind of wrap this up, but please do talk to me about everything that happened in this, which was a lot. Excuse me. And they did give us some really good insight about the whole process of writing it. And it's actually quite nice that it was the two of them, because they were the ones that were technically debuting as rappers. So it was quite nice to hear from them on this occasion, and just the two of them together as well, to hear about that process, because it was somewhat new to them. And really nice to hear a little bit more about Glock9 and what he's like working behind the scenes. I do hope that they get to work together again. I think there was definitely a vibe match, and I think because Glock9 is so established and so successful in what he does, that when he came together with them and he sat around that table, and as Stell was saying, he questions everything, and like he kind of wants you to explain stuff so then he can buy it. Like, I really like that way of working, because you don't leave any loopholes then. You don't leave any place or any crack for anyone to like say anything. Okay, you've got everything covered and you can explain everything behind the song as well. And I quite like that. And I think that's obviously SB19 are going to continue learning from their peers within the industry, and it sounds like a really, really valuable experience. And I look forward to them collaborating with more like huge stars, singers and rappers in the industry, because they've kind of been churning. It's not the best word because it's not meaningless stuff, but they have been releasing this stuff, the collaborative stuff of late, and it's obviously not going to stop. And I'm really excited to see who's next and what style is next, excuse me. Can't wait to read all of your comments, and thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun, and until I see you next time, take care, stay safe, bye.